So the first thing you do is that you need to make a Diigo account in order to start curating your resources. Once you have created an account and get into your library, the first thing you want to do is that if you want to add a website or an image or a PDF file, you would just scroll down to this part right here, little plus sign, and then select your file. So let's say you want to bookmark a website. Then you're going to click on here and then type in the website's URL. When it comes to your video, here is one website that will give you free images to use that's not copyrighted. It's called unsplash.com. Let's say if you want to save this resource into Diigo, you would go ahead and copy the URL, click on the plus sign, add the URL, and then click next. And then you just want to make a description about it. Maybe say something like free images. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click add. And voila. The first website is populated on this page. If you have an image from your computer you want to add, you can go ahead and just drag it into this box right here from a folder that you have, or you can click on it and then browse to your sources in your computer to see if you can find a picture you want to add. When you are creating resources for interest groups, most likely you will go into Google to search it up. So if you type in interest group in Google, you'll see a couple of links and resources popped up. The best thing to do is try to go to .org websites because they are made by nonprofit organizations and they're less likely to, be influenced by money or by some kind of advertisement. So, for example, votersmart.org, if you click on it, is going to lead you to this non-profit organization where you can search up multiple interest groups depending on which one you want to join based on a category that you're interested in. Like, for example, maybe you're interested in wildlife and animals. You click on it, you go through the resource, and they will give you a list of interest groups that you can possibly research more into or join. Let's say that you're really into, saving wildlife creatures. You could possibly join the Animal Welfare Institute, and you can click on it. It will give you a description of what it's about, and also give you a website that you can click on to go directly to that link to learn more about your interest group. Avoid using Wikipedia as one of your sources just because even though it's usually one of the easier route to take, a lot of information on Wikipedia could be edited. Therefore, it is not recommended that you use it as one of your resources. So you can click on it to read through it to understand, the concept of interest groups, but do not cite it in your assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and add votersmart.org as a possible resource that I want to curate in Diigo. And before you know it, you should have a list of at least 4 to 5 sources on the subject. For you to kind of go back and, synthesize the information.